Hello, my name's Lou Collins and I am the designer of Textures. Textures is a craft brand that's exclusive to CraftStash. The idea is that the Textures products allow you to add texture and dimension and lots of layers to your projects. Textures was born in November 2020, so we've had many collection releases since then and I've absolutely loved every single one of them. The name Textures comes from a little bit of a play on word. It's built on my passion for brush lettering, for fonts, for text, looking at typography as well, and mixing those into my designs on papercraft. So whether it's scrapbooking or card making, mixed media and things like that, I just think alphabets and letters, they have beautiful forms and they make absolutely stunning backgrounds and centerpieces. The Textures collections range from masculine to feminine, something a bit steampunky, something very traditional and very contemporary and geometric as well. I've tried to cover all bases and all styles. My personal favourite is always my latest release. So at the moment I'm absolutely loving my Magnolia Drive collection. Some items have sold out of course, but the ones that are left are still absolutely stunning and I always put lots and lots of inspiration on social media for you. The products in the Textures ranges cover everything from die cutting to stamping, from your gel plate printing through to your stenciling, and we even have beautiful washi tapes and washi sheets too. My favourite items in the Textures range is really hard to choose, but I would say a few of them are definitely a couple of items from my latest release. So that would be the paper pack, that's the Sentiments for All. So beautiful sentiments in a typewriter font that you can cut out and use on absolutely any style of project, whether it's card making, or scrapbooking, journaling and such. We also have within that range the washi sheets. Now this is an innovative product where we've got washi sheets that are die cut for you as well, so you've got the printed translucency of washi but in a beautiful floral pattern. They are stunning and great for creating really quick cards. I also absolutely love some of the layering stencils, actually all of the layering stencils that we've got under the Textures range, in particular the cloud stencil for fantastic multi-layered and multi-tonal cloud backgrounds. And then I also am in love with using the half-tone effect in my stamps. I know everyone at home is loving it as well because it sells out very quickly, and we are definitely looking at bringing more half-tone stamps to the Textures ranges in the future. Talking about the future, it's really important to me that you are able to still use your older products alongside the new ones. So I'm going to be building the collections around really popular items from past ranges and making sure that they all coordinate and work together so you get the very best for your money and really stretch your crafting stash. You'll find the Textures products exclusively at craftstash.co.uk and craftstash.us, and you'll be able to find me on social media sharing lots of projects and inspiration using them over on Instagram, on YouTube and of course on Facebook. I look forward to seeing you all there soon.